Hi, I'm Rick. I worked with Mark at Smart Build. He did my neighbor's house and we were very impressed by the work. So we had him come and do an estimate for us. We agreed that we liked the price. And then Mark, very professional throughout. The documents he provided to us gave us confidence in the conjunction with the neighbor, the work that we saw. We were very impressed and we decided to go with him. His team was very conscientious, cleaned up after themselves. Very professional. They had everything all set up in a very short amount of time. They got everything done, answered any questions we had. Anytime we wanted extra or any other work or to add something to it, Mark always listened and came back to us and proposed solutions to the problems that we had presented. So I highly recommend working with Mark and his team.